Okay, coming up on field grade housing here. This is 4084 on Plaza, which is separate from Foster and Leicester and all that, but people from either up north or down this way can live here. So this is for 04s and 05s. Here's the neighborhood. There's an entry point there, and the end of the street will end up getting blocked off. There's a PX just around the corner, small one. One parking space up front here, but you can also park on the road. Plenty of yard space for this house. This is a 4-bedroom unit.
Looks good though.
It does look good. The floors are durable. I think we have these in my house too. These are good. There's a bathroom here when you come in. Closet. Taking some pictures there. This is the master bedroom with plenty of closet space and its own bathroom. Why does it keep cutting out? Okay, it's not cut out. All right, just the screen went away. Okay, we're still here. Good. And 3 more bedrooms. Rather sizable with plenty of closet space. This is the view out the back window, some decent yard space there, storage. So again, 4 bedrooms, plenty of space, hall closets, the bathroom here, and then closet space here. Kitchen's on the smaller side, admittedly, but there'll be plenty of appliances here, including the dishwasher and the stove, of course, once it's installed. Big laundry room. You'll have a washing machine and dryer here and a deep sink. This goes to the outside, but we don't need to go out there. And massive living space here, which you could do a dining room in as well, of course. Ceiling fans and lights there. You can see the back door opens up to a nice backyard, which most of them have. There's a lot of open space here in this community. There's a drying space for clothes, this awesome hill. There you go. That's 4084, 4-bedroom field grade unit on Plaza.